Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Dig post holes 3 times wider than the post diameter, 6 to 8 inches for end and corner posts, 4 to 6 inches for line posts and 1/3 of the length of the pole plus 4 inches for gravel. Fill all the holes with 4 inches of gravel and tamp. Add 6 inches of concrete to the corner, gate and end post holes only.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
The minimum depth that you should dig your fence post holes for panel sections is 2 feet. A general formula is to dig the holes 1/3 to 1/2 of the post's above ground height. The deeper you dig the holes, the more stability your fence has, but you must also purchase longer posts.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.